In this video, we're going to do some vector arithmetic. So the first question, we've got two vectors added to each other. Well, all we do is we add the corresponding components together. So this first question, we've got 4 plus 0, so that just becomes 4. 5 plus 5 is 10. 3 plus negative 2 is 1. So that's it. Same with if we're taking away, we just take away corresponding components or corresponding rows. So negative 4 take away 4 is negative 8. Negative 1 take away negative 2, well that's the same as negative 1 add 2, so that's 1. 4 take away 0 is 4. Now, in this case over here, we've got a 3 outside of our vector. And what we do there is when we're multiplying by a scalar, that's what it's called, is we multiply each of the components by 3. So we're going to get 3 times 4, 3 times 5, 3 times 3. And that becomes 12, 15, and 9. Okay. Well, same with this one with the negative 4. So we're going to have negative 4 times 4, negative 4 times 5, and negative 4 times 3. So we're going to get negative 16, negative 20, and negative 12. That's my vector. Now, for this last one here, we've got some multiplying by scalars and then we add them together. So we do the multiplying first. So let's speed this up. We're going to multiply all of the components by 4 in the first vector. So that becomes 16, 20, and 12. We multiply everything in the second vector by 2. So it becomes 6, negative 2, and negative 14. And now I can just add these two together, line by line. So 16 adds 6 is 22. 20 plus negative 2, well, the same as 20. Take away 2, so that's 18. And the last one, 12 plus negative 14, that's the same as 12. Take away 14, so that's negative 2. So my answer is 22, 18, and negative 2.